Have you ever wondered, what if your nightmares aren't just yours? What if the fears you carry actually belong to your grandparents? In 2013, scientists at Emory University trained mice to fear the smell of cherry blossoms by associating it with mild electric shocks. A generation later, their pups, who had never experienced the shocks, panicked at the same scent. No training, no exposure, just inherited fear. This isn't science fiction. This is epigenetics, the idea that trauma, memories, and experiences might be written into your genes and passed down like a cursed heirloom. Let's unravel one of the most chilling mysteries modern biology is just beginning to decode. For decades, genes were thought to be biological blueprints, rigid, predictable, and passed down like fixed software. But what if there's a hidden layer, an invisible biological memory that doesn't change the code, but changes how the code is read? This is the world of epigenetic markers, chemical tags that sit on top of your DNA and switch genes on or off depending on your environment. Think of them as post-it notes stuck to the instruction manual of your body, saying ignore this or read this more carefully. And the wild part, these markers may survive long enough to be passed on to your children and their children. Some researchers call it phantom DNA, a kind of ghostly residue of life's experiences etched into your genome. In Sweden, researchers tracked families affected by famine in the 1800s. They discovered that grandsons of men who had experienced starvation were less likely to die from heart disease. Their genes seemed to prepare them for future scarcity. It's as if the body whispered, "I've seen what's coming, let me help." Even in humans, descendants of Holocaust survivors show distinct epigenetic differences. Some scientists believe these differences are linked to higher anxiety and stress responses. It's controversial, it's haunting, and it blurs the line between biology and legacy. Now here, where it gets even weirder. AI is beginning to analyze genetic patterns in massive populations, and it's discovering correlations between childhood trauma, parental stress, and later life health outcomes that we cannot explain with DNA alone. We're talking biological echoes, coded memories without a storyteller. But are we inheriting memories or just their scars? And what does this mean for you? If trauma can be inherited, can healing be too? Some scientists are experimenting with epigenetic reprogramming, essentially trying to erase or rewrite these inherited markers using nutrition, meditation, or even psychedelic therapy. Imagine a future where we can edit emotional scars at the molecular level. A future where it runs in the family no longer means doom, but hope. But here's the mystery. How far back do these genetic memories go? Just one generation, 10? Could ancient fears still haunt our DNA? We've always believed our minds hold memories, but what if your very cells remember too? So the next time you feel afraid of something and don't know why, maybe ask your genes. They might be telling a story you never lived but still carry.